We'll talk about the advantages of consuming fennel seed water at night in this video. Have you ever puzzled how something so tiny could conceal such a significant secret as you looked at these tiny seeds? You might be surprised by the response. Fennel seed water has some incredible health benefits, especially when drank at night, according to recent research that have been published in respectable journals. These advantages can include better digestion and even better sexual performance. We've been disregarding the age-old cure of fennel seeds in water. But how much is too much? And can your nights truly be changed by a tiny seed? Stay tuned as we uncover the truth by delving into the nighttime realm of fennel, as supported by science. Meanwhile, may I inquire if you have ever tried fennel seed water at night? After you share your experiences in the comments section below, let's examine the benefits of drinking fennel seed water at night for your health. 1. Fennel seeds water for digestion. Drinking fennel seed water, especially at night, aids in better digestion. This is because fennel seeds contain a variety of carminative compounds, such as anahophenone and estragol, which relax the gastrointestinal tract, lessen spasms, and prevent the formation of gas. These bioactive chemicals in fennel seeds have strong antispastic effects, reducing stomach cramps and promoting smoother digestion, according to a study published in the PLOS 2022. Additionally, the seeds include a high amount of dietary fiber, which helps to maintain regular bowel movements and a healthy digestive system. Thus, if you had a filling dinner, drinking water with fennel seeds can be your go-to cure. Keep in mind that a quiet digestive tract promotes restful sleep. 2. Fennel seeds water for acid reflux. Lessens acid reflux. Anapol, which contains anti-inflammatory qualities and helps soothe the stomach and lessen the creation of acid, is abundant in veni seeds. Similar to several over-the-counter acids, this anahul has the capacity to reduce stomach contractions, according to a 2014 study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Why not try fennel seed water instead of reaching for that pill bottle? Remember, it's not just about relief. It's about understanding what's happening inside our bodies and nature. In addition, the seeds contain flavonoids that reduce stomach muscle spasms, which often lead to acid reflux. When you couple this with the inherent dietary fiber in fennel seeds that promotes a healthy digestive tract, you're looking at a natural remedy for acid reflux. 3. Fennel seeds water for weight loss. Several important chemicals in fennel seed water have the potential to aid in weight loss when consumed at night. Due to their high dietary fiber content, fennel seeds help you feel fuller and lessen your desire for food at night. The fiber content of fennel seeds has been shown in a 2015 study published in the journal Clinical Nutrition Research to improve fullness and decrease appetite. Moreover, anthol, an essential oil found in fennel seeds, has been connected to decreased inflammation and enhanced metabolism. The diuretic qualities of fennel aid in decreasing water retention, and anavol can inhibit fat accumulation, according to a 2018 study published in the journal BNC Molecular and Cell Biology. It's not only about losing weight. Cutting extra water weight is also vital. 4. Fennel seeds water for immunity. According to a 2017 study published in the Journal of Food Science, fennel seeds are a rich source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts the production of white blood cells, our body's first line of defense against infection. But fennel seeds also contain cortine, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating properties, as reported in a 2016 publication in Phytocapi Research. Remember that fennel's aromatic flavor comes from anthol, another compound found in the plant? According to a 2018 study published in the European Journal of Pharmacology, anthol has anti-inflammatory properties, so while you partake in the soothing ritual of drinking fennel seed water before bed, you're also utilizing a variety of compounds that collaborate to support a stronger immune system. 5. Fennel seeds water for blood pressure. Before going to bed, take a sip of fennel seed water. to get a dosage of some amazing components that can help lower and manage blood pressure. A 2017 study published in the journal Hypertension found that fennel seeds are high in potassium, a mineral that is essential for controlling blood pressure. Higher intake of potassium is associated with reduced blood pressure, particularly in those who have hypertension. Furthermore, a 2015 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that carotene, a flavonoid with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, helps lower blood pressure by encouraging the dilation of blood vessels. Polyphenols in fennel are substances known for their antioxidant qualities. Before you leave, let's start a conversation. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe. We have more fascinating scientific findings in store for you. Until then, keep exploring and have a better night.